Okay, do you want to go first or do you want me to go first playing replace?
Well, if you go first, I close my eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Let me look a second. Ah. Okay, go.
Okay. We're playing replace, right?
Yes.
So this is different than the memory game we played last time.
Yeah. A little bit different.
Okay, okay, go.
You replaced you might have replaced the friendship bracelet.
You got it. It was this
Oh
one.
yeah, it was that color.
It was this
yeah,
one.
that color.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes.
Okay. Okay. Go. Open.
Oh, that's funny because I thought that there was only one nutcracker and now I see two and this is replaced. Let's see here. I know you added this nutcracker.
Yeah.
But what you took away is the question.
Yeah, really.
And I wasn't even paying attention hardly. Let me think here a minute. So there was something different right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that is a good. I'm trying to think. You might have stumped me, Mom, but hold on just a second. That is so funny that I don't even know what was right there.
You have to not look on that side.
I have to not look on that side. I think I get to look in replace.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Because I could see what it was. Don't you think I can look?
I don't know.
I can't look or I can look? We don't know the rules yet.
Yeah, we haven't. They haven't.
I give up.
You lent them to me once. I needed to open up a package.
Scissors.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now it's tricky.
All right.
All right.
Now I'm
You
supposed to
close your
my
eyes.
Okay, go.
Okay. Oops, that's not gonna work. Hold on. I gotta get something usable. Oops. I make too much noise.
No.
Hold on.
Listening.
Okay, hold on. Just bear with me.
I'm bearing.
Okay. I'm adding a trick to it, Mom,
Ooh.
but I'm only replacing one thing.
Oh.
So okay, it's your go.
Okay, now let me see. Oh. You turned over the card,
Yeah.
but I don't remember if this was here before.
Okay. So if that wasn't there, what did I
Then
replace?
replace something. Oh gosh. Gee, now that you turn that card over, my whole sense of life is confused. Great night. What could it be that you turned over?
Your alarm is off.
We should have tried to.
But if once you finish this, I'm done for a minute.
Yeah, I know.
So do you know what I replaced? I
No,
think you do.
I don't.
But you have an idea of what the type of thing it was, right?
A paper thing.
What kind of a paper thing? Something paper?
Well, maybe, but I'm not sure. I give up.
It was the other paper bookmark.
The other paper bookmark. There's more over there.